He was taken to the compound of the priests. He was beaten up. He was beaten up. He was beaten up. When he had been tied on a pole. When he speaks about the compound, he speaks about the compound of the law. Where the laws could be made from. Demons from the yoke of law. When the Bible says that you are redeemed from the compound of Jesus powered his blood in the yard of the lawmakers. He was beaten up. He poured it there. He went on a cross. He was meant to carry the cross. He went when he it was too late for him. He fell the first time. He said, I want to end. Today I won't get tired. For Zaituni I won't get tired. I have to take it. He carried it the second time. The Bible said that he got 3 times. But he could come up. He had to say, he was saying, I have to reach there. I have to reach there. It's not the one who got tired of the cross. Then they say that they told someone to carry it. But he was also touching it when he was even being beaten up. He was being kind. Doing it for you and me. For you and me. But when you reach on the cross, and he had been squeezed. Before being squeezed up, he was squeezed up. That tree, whoever could be the Bible said that he would be a curse. And remember the Bible says that the world is cursed for one person, Adam who sinned. Say you who when you are still in Adam. You are in Adam's. When they say that he was cursed, you are also cursed too. Now you have to take the curse on the cross. You have to take the curse on the tree. When he was crucified, because man had been given when you are just being created, you are blessed from the garden. He told you that you see the blessing, you give birth and even multiply. He gave you authority over everything and everything in the world. You had authority over them. But when man sinned, you were chased away. Now whatever you get hold of, there is no any blessing. No ones were no longer blessed because they had been taken away. But when he went on a tree, they crucified this palm, even the fingers. They shed blood on the tree. Curse went on a tree that he may receive a blessing in whatever he could touch, in whatever he could do. It is because he becomes blessed. Amen. Now you have a blessing. Whatever you do may become blessed. If you see that it's not blessed, because Jesus paid. The child of God paid. It was the fingers of God. They crucified the cross. They nailed the legs. He was nailed from the face. He was screamed that the curse would become on us. As it was written, the curse Jesus became a curse for us. Jesus became a curse on us now. But at that very time, when had been squeezed, which word he says that this word, that I feel thirsty.
Buuza muno akigambani nkuwadde obuyinza olwaleero gwatudde wano.
I've given you the authority for you instead.
Olaba yeebaka mu kkuba oluyi.
If you see someone sleeping, just slap him.
Olaba yeebaka mu kkuba oluyi.
The moment you see someone sleeping, slap him.
Oluganda lutereera. bw'onooba tolomukubyenera kutuma omuntu eno ajja akubekwe akuzuukusa.
If you fail to slap that person, I send someone from here to come and slap you. The one who have failed to slap the one sleeping.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Kubira Yesu engaleza amaanyi.
Give Jesus a mighty hand clap.
Agamba nti ennyonta
He says that I feel thirsty.
Ennyonta ennuma.
That I feel thirsty.
Kubanga yali akoze omulimu.
For he has done his work.
Nga tagukola ku lulwe.
He had not done it for himself.
Agukolera gwe.
For you.
Kigambe munno.
Tell your neighbor.
Omulimu gwe yakola.
That the work he did.
Yali takola gugwe.
He wasn't doing by his own sake. Just